y'all. Over here with the homie.
I think I broke my car.
It's not my truck, but we're helping them fix what is it? Some springs, some
sway bar end links.
Sway bar end links on this beautiful little Mazda. Well, actually, pretty big Mazda.
This boy is way too big.
Yeah, it's a spaceship. Hope y'all liked that fucking intro, outro thing. That shit was pretty cool.
That was really nice.
Yeah, that shit was really sick. It came out really clean. Alright, we're gonna help him out real quick. Be right back. So we're back. Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't have my other camera, just got my phone. Hopefully the quality won't be too bad. But so anyway, we're going to Victorville, meet up with a guy named Nico. I'll put his IG right there. That way you guys can look him up on Instagram. If you guys need work on your guys' dip or anything like that, I'll try to make sure to put a list of like what kind of work he does, you know, etc. But yeah, me and my homie Acosta about to go drop it off. See how these gears do, guys. All the parts right there ready to go. It's all set for the swap. See how it goes. See how it comes along, guys. But yeah, stay tuned. Let's see. Hopefully we can fucking, you know, get some nice races going on. A couple weeks, maybe next week. Hopefully once I get the break-in period. But yeah, guys, we'll be right back. Woo. Picked up the truck with the homie. Sup, fool?
Sup?
Hell yeah, so we're back, guys. A day later, pretty much, right?
A day later, yeah.
Got the truck back. Fucking putting on some LEDs, letting it cool down. Do the whole process with the gears, right? Something like that.
Breaking point?
The gear breaking point. Yeah, pretty much. It feels nice, yo. Shout out to Nico. EcoBoost Nico. Badass dude. Super badass work. Got the chelas. Soul Gang. That's what's up. Almost got whacked by that tree. Shit.
You almost got whacked.
Yeah. Doing a quick fix, putting on these LEDs. No.
Or they're backwards.
They put it backwards.
Oh! Sheesh!
I'm gonna put that one right here, just in case. There we go. Nice. Fuck yeah.
Not the brightest, but it's better than what you have.
Yeah, it's better than that ugly shit. Sheesh. Nice. So yeah, guys, won't be able to show you guys everything, like how it runs and stuff like that, because we gotta let it break in, you know. Is it not?
Huh, interesting.
If not, we could fuck it up, and that'll be no bueno. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoying the videos so far. Definitely gonna get more and more stuff in with the homies. Got a tune coming soon and a couple of extra stuff. Got the truck back, breaking it in. Dude, guys, I love this thing. It's amazing. The gears, huge difference, guys. Super huge difference. Something I recommend, definitely. I went with 410s this time, but who knows, maybe I'll go higher some other day, I'm not sure, but for now, love this thing. Yeah, I'm not gonna do like a crazy pull or anything like that. Just gonna, or burnout, I mean, I'm not gonna burn out or anything like that. Just gonna do a little pull, that way you guys can see the speedometer. I'm out here in Paris. Alright, let's see if we can get something going right now. Let me go ahead and turn around real quick. That was fucking great. Woo! That was a fucking mean difference, guys. Holy crap. Damn. That was crazy. Earlier I tried it, but I didn't give it like a mean, you know, pull, but wow. That felt amazing. Hit up my boy Nico, guys. If you're not hitting him up, you guys are doing something wrong. Man, that felt great, guys. There it is, guys. New gears done by my boy Nico, Eco Boost Nico, out in Victorville. I live out here in the Inland Empire, so it was like about a 50-minute drive to get to him, but like it's totally worth it, man. Totally worth it, trust me. Did all those gears, and man, I couldn't be happier, man. I could not be happier. Runs good. Runs solid. It's amazing. Just gonna need a retune. Gotta tune it up again. I don't know who I'm gonna go with. I was thinking either KP Fab or Power Ambitions. Most likely Power Ambitions. Gonna try him out and get a new fuel system going, E85 with a 91. And yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. Oh, also, I'm gonna port my throttle body intake. Sorry, not my throttle body. I'm gonna port my intake manifold soon, so stay tuned for that. And what else am I gonna do, guys? A couple other things that I don't want to say yet, but not until it's done, so you guys can see the gains. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. And thanks, guys. Whoever likes it, you know, subscribe please if you can. Share it with your friends. And yeah, thanks. See you on the next one.